Hi, I'm Jannaca Chick with Rocky Point Bird Observatory, and today I'm here at Outerbridge Park, which is one of the many excellent birding spots here in Victoria. The entrance to this park is off Royal Oak. It's at Royal Oak and Blenkinsop, and there is a small parking lot here. So I'm going to take you on a little tour of this park and tell you a little bit about it. So I'm just entering the park from the parking lot, and Outerbridge Park is a small park. It's just under 10 acres. This park was the creation of a woman called JoAnn Outerbridge, who moved to Victoria in 1987. She was an avid gardener and lover of nature, so she created this little paradise by slowly amassing the properties in the area. Look at this wonderful bamboo stand here. And she created a garden and nature sanctuary. In fact, this was originally called the Shangri Bird and Nature Sanctuary. So we're coming up to a lovely pond, and I'm just going to show you the Outerbridge sign. So JoAnn Outerbridge donated this park to Saanich in 2005. And Saanich has created this beautiful garden oasis here in the heart of the city. You can hear the robins are busy singing away. So I'm just coming up to the pond where you can find some duck species, and it's especially known for having wood ducks, which often nest here. Oh, there's the Bewick's wren singing. It's a gorgeous park, as you can see, in the springtime when everything is blossoming. JoAnn Outerbridge wanted this area to be an oasis for birds. And as part of her legacy, Rocky Point Bird Observatory has a bird walk here second Sunday of every month at 9 a.m. And everyone, of course, is welcome to attend this bird walk. The park on eBird has over 900 checklists, and 110 species have been recorded in this area. Behind the pond is this lovely wooded area with quite a bit of water, which of course is an excellent spot for birds to nest or pause on their migratory routes up further north. The path goes around this lovely pond, and it's a very accessible path for those with mobility issues. Here is a beautiful water feature at one end of the pond. Now this trail is taking us past the pond and the water feature, and we're going to another area of the park. So now we're entering a less cultivated area of the park, and as you can see, there are also wildflowers here in the spring. And as for bird species that can be found in Outerbridge, all the woodpecker species are pretty easily seen or heard here. And of course, many of our local birds nest here, such as bush tits, wrens, such as Bewick's wrens, and also house wrens often, and red-breasted nuthatches. You can get house and purple finches here. Pine siskins are often heard at the top of the trees. Chestnut-backed chickadees. In the winter, you'll get fox sparrows here. Of course, there's Oregon juncos, song sparrows, orange-crowned warblers. Several of the warbler species can be heard here, particularly in the springtime when they're singing. So there's a converted barn here on the property, which is used for different events. And as hummingbirds can be found here year-round. Of course, many nest here. As well as the larger, more formal pond, there are a few other small ponds that are always worth checking out for what birds might be found nearby or on the pond itself. If you're interested in seeing what bird species can be found here, just check out Outerbridge Park on eBird on the eBird hotspot list. It's a wonderful little place to visit, and if you don't have a lot of time, you can certainly just come and make a quick roundabout of the park to see what you can find here. But it's a wonderful oasis in the heart of the city. Feel free to join our PBO on our second Sunday of every month bird walk. Whether you are a beginning birder or a more experienced birder, everyone is welcome to find out more about our local birds and our wonderful local parks. Thank you from Rocky Point Bird Observatory, and we hope to see you here.